Alright. On the first night of Halloween, my mummy gave to me a bright, shiny
skeleton key.
Good. On the second night of Halloween, my mummy gave to me a two-headed snake and a bright, shiny
skeleton key.
On the third night of Halloween, my mummy gave to me
three
baseball bats, a
two-headed
snake. Would you stop hiccuping?
No, because I'm still sick.
Oh, okay. And a bright, shiny
skeleton
key. On the fourth night of Halloween, my mummy gave to me
four
icky eyeballs,
three
baseball bats, a
two-headed
snake, and a bright, shiny
skeleton key.
What?
Does the monster have the icky four
And the eyeballs. Yeah, okay, alright. On the fifth night of Halloween, my mummy gave to me 5 singing skulls. 5 singing skulls. Can you sing that? 5 singing skulls.
5 singing skulls.
Close enough. What's this?
4
icky eyeballs,
2 3
baseball bats, a
two-headed
snake, and a bright, shiny
skeleton key.
On the sixth night of Halloween, my mummy gave to me
6
corpses caroling,
5
singing skulls,
3 4
icky eyeballs,
3
baseball bats, a
two-headed
snake, and a bright, shiny
skeleton key.
On the seventh night of Halloween, my mummy gave to me
7
goblins gobbling, corpses corpses caroling,
5
singing skulls,
4
icky eyeballs,
3
baseball bats, a snake, and a bright, shiny
skeleton key.
On the eighth night of Halloween, my mummy gave to me
8
marching mutants,
7
goblins gobbling,
6
corpses caroling,
5
singing skulls,
4
icky eyeballs,
3
baseball bats, a
2
snake, and a bright, shiny skeleton key. On the ninth night of Halloween, my mummy gave to me
9
werewolves waiting,
8
marching mutants,
7
goblins gobbling,
6
corpses caroling,
5
singing skulls,
4
icky eyeballs,
2 3
3 baseball bats, a
2
snake, and a bright, shiny
skeleton key.
On the 10th night of Halloween, my mummy gave to me
10
demons dancing,
9
werewolves waiting,
8
marching mutants,
7
goblins gobbling,
6
corpses caroling,
4 5
singing skulls,
4
icky eyeballs,
3
baseball bats, a
2
snake, and a bright, shiny skeleton key. We're getting close to the end, aren't we? On the 11th night of Halloween, my mummy gave to me
11
witches witching,
10
demons dancing,
9
werewolves waiting,
8
marching mutants,
7
goblins gobbling,
6
corpses caroling,
5
singing skulls,
4
icky eyeballs,
3
baseball bats, a
2
snake, and a bright, shiny skeleton key. On the 12th night of Halloween, my mummy gave to me
12
ghosts a ghosting,
11
witches witching,
10
demons dancing,
9
werewolves waiting,
8
marching mutants,
7
goblins gobbling,
6
corpses caroling,
5
singing skulls,
4
icky eyeballs,
3
baseball bats, a
2
snake, and a bright, shiny skeleton key. On the 13th night of Halloween, my mommy gave to me
13.
very thirsty vampires.
4.
What?
4.
What's that?
12.
Ghosts a ghosting,
11.
witches witching,
10.
demons dancing,
9.
werewolves waiting,
8.
marching mutants,
7.
goblins gobbling,
6.
corpses caroling,
5.
singing skulls,
4.
icky eyeballs,
3.
baseball bats, a
2.
headed snake,
A broad shining
skeleton. Can you go up high like that? All right, can you look at the camera and say, we're done?
We're done.
All right, nice job.